How to share your Spotify account with friends. If you're using Spotify Premium, the best method is Spotify Premium Duo or Spotify Premium Family. This allows two or more people to use the same plan while keeping their own playlist, recommendation, and history separate. To set this up, open the Spotify app, then head over to your settings. For that, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now head over to settings and privacy. Here, you want to tap Account. Now choose Premium Duo or Premium Family, depending on how many people you want to share with. Once you subscribe to one of these plans, you'll see an option to invite others. Simply send the invite link to your friend, and they can join your shared plan by logging into their own Spotify account. You don't have to give them your password. If you want to share your actual login, keep in mind Spotify may pause playback if both of you try to listen at the same time. Only one device can stream at a time on regular premium account. To share your login, just give your friend your email and password for Spotify, but remember this is less secure and not recommended. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.